Hi everyone, welcome to OneX Labs. In this video, I'm going to explain you about joins in Tableau. When you are connecting to a data source, whether it is a flat file or a server related data source, you will be having multiple sheets or multiple tables. So in Tableau, when you want to pull the records from more than one table, then you should specify the join condition between those two tables or between those multiple tables. Only then you would be able to pull the records from the multiple tables. For example, now I have pulled the order table. So if I need to bring the people table and if I want to use the column from people table in my visualizations, then I need to join this people table with the order table or any other table which is part of the data source. Okay. In Tableau, we have four types of join: inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. According to your requirements, you have to choose any of these joins. Okay. So what is a joining? Joining will help you to combine the fields from both the tables based on a particular condition. So we have four types of join. So first let's see what is inner join. So when it comes to inner join, suppose you have two tables. Here as I have customer table, order table. So you can see in customer table I have customer ID and name where I have some 3 records. Order table I have order ID, customer ID, order date. Here also I have 3 records. Here the common column between these two is customer ID. So we can join these two tables only through that common column called customer ID. So you can see here I have 1, 2, 3 in customer table, 1, 4, 3 in order table. So 4 is missing in the customer table and 2 is missing in the order table. Okay. So when I want to join these records between these two tables, if I choose inner join, what will happen? So inner join will take only the matching records between the two tables. Okay. Inner join will take only the matching records between the two tables. So here if I am joining these two tables based on customer ID, the matching records are 1 and 3. Right? So inner join on customer ID which will give me 1 and 3. So this is my join table which has customer ID name, order ID, customer ID, order date. Okay. So which will have only the matching records between customers and orders. That is 1 and 3. So here also when I join orders and people, so you can choose the corresponding column, the common column between these two tables. So by default, if you have the same name, Tableau itself automatically creates the relationship. For example, I have region in both the tables. So Tableau itself automatically created the relationship on region. Else you can click on the drop down and you can choose the corresponding field on which you want to create a join. So this is inner join. So only when you need the matching record. So now all the records which are available in both the tables alone will be displayed here. Okay. That is matching records between the order and people table. In case if I am choosing the left join. So what will happen when I choose left join? It will take all the records from the left table and only the matching records from the right. That is all the record from order table and only matching record from the people table. So again we have customer and order table. If I am doing a left outer join on this table based on same customer ID, what will happen? It will take all the record from the customer table because which is on the left side. So 1, 2 and 3 and only matching record from the order table. The matching records are again 1 and 3. So the non-matching records will be replaced by null values. So you can see 1, 2 and 3 is taken from customers but 1 and 3 are only matching from the orders. So for the second record, order ID, customer ID, order date is replaced by null values. So when you choose left join, it takes all the record from the left and only matching record from your right. When I choose the right join, what will happen? The vice versa. It will take all the record from the right, only the matching records from the left table. Okay. So in that cases, it will take all the record from the order tables. Okay, 1, 4 and 3, matching records 1 and 3. So for the number 2 record, it will be replaced by null values. So here all the record from people table and only the matching record from the order table. Okay. In case if you are going with full outer join, it will take all the records from both the tables. Okay. It will take all the records from both the tables. So wherever the records are missing, it will be replaced by null values. So full outer join, it will take all the records from both the tables. So if the values are missing, in that cases it will be replaced by null values. Okay. So when you are pulling more than one table in Tableau, then you have to specify this join condition. Either inner join, left join, right join or full outer join. Based on your requirement, you can choose which join you need to use between the tables. Okay. So definitely you will be getting questions from joins in your Tableau desktop certification. So be thorough with this joins. Even when I'm bringing the returns table, I don't have any common field between people and returns. So I have only between orders and returns. So again, since it has the same name on both the table, Tableau automatically creates the relationship. So you can choose inner join, left join, right join or full outer join based on your requirements. Okay. So I will also be posting this particular link on the description. So just go through this document from the Tableau help. As I said, definitely you will be getting 1 or 2 questions based on joins in your certification. So if you understand the real difference between the 4 types of join, easily you can score that question. Thanks for listening to the video. Thank you.